Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make split screen videos. So, make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Split screen video. First, open Capcut and start a new project. You'll see the main interface. To create split screen videos, start by importing your videos. You can import any video for your project. Go to the Stock Media tab, search for Nature, and you'll see a selection of video clips. Select some clips and drag and drop them onto the timeline. Trim these videos as needed. Next, select the B-roll video track, go to the editing panel, and click on the Blend option. Decrease the opacity to around 50%. Do the same for the C-roll video track. Then, go to the Mask tab. You have multiple masking options available. Choose the one that suits your needs. I'll select a horizontal mask and apply it. Now, go to the Media panel and rotate the mask to 70%. Then move the mask layer to the left side. Return to the timeline, select the B-roll video track, and go back to the Mask tab in the Editing panel. Select the same horizontal mask, rotate it to 70%, and move this mask layer to the right side. Select the C-roll video track on the timeline. Go to the Blend option in the Editing panel and reset the blending options by clicking the Reset button. Apply the same process to the other video clips as needed. After completing these steps, your split-screen video will be created. To add a cinematic look, click on the C-roll video track to access the editing options. Go to the Editing panel, select the Mask tab, and use the arrow button to drag left, adding a blur partition effect between your videos. Repeat the process for the B-roll track. Finally, you can see the final output of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.